Welcome to the Southern Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today, I will be making goat's milk yogurt. We have so much milk. It's time I start getting creative and making things with the milk. So what I'm going to be starting off with today is a simple yogurt. And the things that we are going to need for yogurt is obviously fresh raw goat's milk, unpasteurized. And then the next thing you're gonna need, I'm using my Instapot. You're gonna need a culture, and this is the brand of culture that we're gonna be using. I got it off of Amazon. I think we paid somewhere in the neighborhood of $18 or $20, and it's about 6 packs in here. I'm only gonna be using 2 packs. So we need 2 quarts of milk. I've got a little over 2 quarts in this cup. Oh, I made a spill. Come eye level, make sure it's at the line. Perfect. So this is 1 quart. Then I'm gonna put the cheesecloth inside. And then I'm gonna pour the milk over the cheesecloth. There we go. And that will get any bits and debris. Because we do milk our goats outside, and you never know what hay might fall in. But we do a pretty good job in keeping it clean and sanitary. Alright, so that's 2 quarts of milk. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put this in the Instapot. And we're going to plug her up. And some Instapots are different, and I didn't know that. I just realized that there are different Instapot. I thought Instapot was just one big brand and same model, but obviously there aren't. So we do not have a yogurt button on our Instapot. However, we are going to be using the warm button for the yogurt, and we're going to keep it warm at 40 minutes. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this. And what I'm gonna do next is whisk the milk. Whisk it around. I just whisked the warm milk. So what I'm gonna do now, I am going to hit saute on the Instapot. And I'm gonna bring this up to 185 degrees. I think we're where we need to be. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to pull this out, and then the next step is going to let this cool to 112 degrees before I add the bacteria, the yogurt culture. Alright, so I had the milk cool down to 112 degrees, and then I took a little bit of that milk out into this separate container. And then I added 2 packs of my yogurt culture. And then what I'm going to do is pour this mixture with the culture back into this pot and whisk it in. So I'm going to take this and put it back into the Instapot. The Instapot is off, so I'm just going to go ahead and unplug that too. And I'm going to put the lid right back on. Make sure it's sealed, and then I'm gonna take my 2 kitchen towels, and I'm gonna wrap this up real good, and I'm just gonna let it sit here for 8 hours. Alright, so it has been 8 hours, and we've got yogurt. So this is it, and it smells like yogurt too. So it's nice and thick. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and take this yogurt and put it into mason jars and put it in the fridge. It has been 2 hours since the yogurt has been sitting in the refrigerator. And this is the moment of truth. I went ahead and I made 2 servings. This is Hans right here. His has strawberry preserve in the bottom, yogurt, and a little bit of fresh blueberries. And mine has blackberry preserves, yogurt, blueberries, and some crushed up cereals that has granola, sliced almonds in it. So he stays in the yogurt first.
A little bit liquidy. It's a strong yogurt.
Yeah. Liquidy. Mm-hmm. Probably because it hasn't sat that long. Because it probably hasn't sat that long in the refrigerator. And I know the second thing, I was looking at several recipes, and one of the recipes said that we should strain it in a cheesecloth. I didn't do that because the final recipe I decided to use didn't say anything about straining it, so I didn't strain it. However, I think the next time I make this yogurt, I am gonna strain it to get out some of the moisture content. But other than that, honey, it's good. Mm-hmm. All right, let me see. Yeah, it is a bit strong yogurt.
Mm-hmm. It's not store-bought.
True.
It's not diluted. It's not done to a very specific time to maximize the volume and or profit.
But it tastes really good with the raspberry, the blackberry. Anyway, this is amazing. Sorry you're not here to try it.
I'm not saving any for you.
He's not saving any for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to share any comments, any ideas, if you've made yogurt before, just leave it down in the bottom of the comments. We really appreciate it. Also, if you have not hit that little red thumbs up button, yep, right there. I think it's in like the right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and hit subscribe. You get to immediately see more of our future videos. Other than that, thank you for watching. Bye. Welcome to the Southern Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, no. Cut, starting over. Okay, so I had this on the... Starting over, honey. Don't put this in. Cut it out.